This is the first season for our above ground pool, and every time I vacuum, the water becomes cloudy as though the sand filter isn't catching the fine particles. What do I do?
Well, likely it isn't catching the fine particles. If you had an algae bloom, had an issue with algae, and you shocked it and you killed the algae, algae is typically too fine, and when you vacuum it up, it comes right through the filter back into the pool and settles back on the bottom again. So likely you need a water clarifier, something that's going to clump that algae up into big enough pieces. That'd be number one. Number two is when you put it together, there's not enough sand in the filter, and the result is it doesn't have enough time to go through the sand to leave the debris, and if it's pushed through sand quickly, the debris just gets pushed back into the pool. Or the third option would be that there's something wrong with the filter, and you have a crack or something in a finger or a loose finger in the bottom of the filter that's allowing the debris to get back into the pool and not get trapped in the sand.
There you go.